Hello first graders, welcome to our last activity for unit 13 or topic 13, the reteaching. And you know the reteaching, it's just a little revision for the lesson that we cover for this unit or this topic, and then after that you're gonna do your test. So let's start with set A. You know the usual, we have an example with an explanation and then a couple of exercises following this example. So let's start. Set A. You can draw the hour and minute hands to show the time. And we see this, the clock, minute hands, hour hand, and then it shows 8 o'clock. Hour hand pointing to 8, and then the minute hand pointing to 12, so it's 8 o'clock. When the minute hand points to 12, you say o'clock. So it's 8 o'clock. That's mean the exact hour. All right, over here, we need to draw the hour and minute hands to show the time. All right, I have 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna put my point center. This is my hour hand pointing to 3, and then the minute hands pointing to 12, so it's 3 o'clock. Okay, let's go the next time. 11 o'clock. Now we know 11 o'clock means our hand pointing to 11 and the minute hand pointing to 12. So let's do this. This is our hand, short hand pointing to 11, and then the minute hand, the long hand pointing to 12. So it's 11 o'clock. Right. Let's go set B. Okay. What time does the clock show? The clock show 5, the column 0, 0, so it's 5 o'clock. So 5 shows the hour and the zeros shows the minutes. So that's 5 and no minutes, so it's 5 o'clock. And that's what we have here, 5. All right, write the time shown in each clock. So this is the digital clock. This is another way to tell time. So what's the time here? 6. And then the zeros means minute, means o'clock. There is no minutes, so 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna write here number 6. And then 4, what's the time? Very good, 10 o'clock. So I'm writing number 10. And then exercise 5, what's the time? Very good, 4 o'clock. So now I have 6 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 4 o'clock. All right, let's see activities C and D. All right, what time do the clocks show us? We have 2 o'clock. So let's see this, what I have here, and we have the digital. So I know that it's 8, 3, 3, 4, 4:30, 5, 5:30, 6, 6:30, 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30, 8:30. So between 9 and 8, it's 8 and 30 minutes. So 8:30 or 8:30. This is how we say what's the time. You can say 8:30 means 8 o'clock and 30 minutes, or half, because this is full and this is half. 8:30. Half after the 8. All right, so let's see what we have here. Write the time shown on each clock. 7:30. 7:30. So it's half past 7, very good, or 7:30. Okay, number 7. Look at the digital time and let's read 10:30. Look at the example, 10:30. So it's half past, very good, half past 10 or 10:30. Okay, number 8. I'm looking here, it's between 2 and 3, that's mean it's half past 2. It's not 3 yet, it's just half past 2. And look at my minute hand on 6, so it's like half circle. So half past 2 or 2:30. Okay, let's go set D. You can read a schedule to find what time the activities begin. Which activity begins at 9 o'clock? Remember Mr. Diaz's class schedule? 9 o'clock, we have the math. So you look at the time, and then you look at the activity next to it. So the activity next to it, 9 o'clock, it's math, right? We can trace the word math, and then we can answer the rest of the question there. All right, number 9, we're gonna use the schedule, and then we're gonna answer these 3 questions. Use the schedule to answer the questions. Number 9, which activity starts at 10 o'clock? So I'm looking at my time at 10 o'clock. I see 8, I have reading, 9, I have math, 10 o'clock, I have recess. So what we have at 10 o'clock? Recess. So this is what I have. Let's write it down. Recess. All right, let's go for number 10. What time does lunch begin? I know this is reading at 8 o'clock, math at 9 o'clock, recess at 10 o'clock, art at 10:30, lunch 11:30. So what time lunch starts? 11:30. I'm gonna write 11, and then I'm gonna write 30 here. Okay. Last question, number 11. What activity is just before lunch? Just before the children go to lunch, what they do? So I go for lunch, and then I just go, the activity before lunch is art. So what kids do, the children do before lunch, they do their art activity. So I'm gonna write the word art. Alright, so that was reteaching for topic 13. We cover time, we learn about hour hands, minute hands. We learn about there's 60 minutes in 1 hour, and half an hour means 30 minutes. And we learn about schedule, which organize activity and time. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.